We have a tree full of LED screens by Royole. So you have any ideas on decorating your next Christmas tree? This is one of them. Royole is one of those very innovative companies in the world. Innovative display.
You are doing the yes.
That, so they'll be doing not only just bodies expo, but they'll be doing checks on you for your health and things like that. But they'll be coming to control.
Yes, the drivers, the drivers
capable. So you might be controlling this screen with that driver's
Flexible screens.
all in a
sure they can make it where.
So when I see things like this, one of the things that I think that the elderly
small chip, it could be a smaller chip in the driver separately somewhere, but
is control over screens. You can have that screen in your person. There's all kinds of different things that can happen. But very interesting. Thank you very much. Good luck to you. Thank you. Okay. Take care.
I make my video now. It's
That's really wearable screen, right?
You understand?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Sure. For thumbnail, thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail.
Look at this.
It's like when I use watching the YouTube video, you have like a picture. It's a thumbnail.
You thought something about wearable pictures or wearable screens?
You can take my picture.
There you go.
Because I have
Very wearable. Look at this screen. It is huge. Spans a few meters wide and a few meters tall. And the resolution, amazing. LG always brings these pretty cool displays. You're watching TechEDTV.